your ass.
Do you want me to tape it or just right on top?
Right.
I just right on top.
Boat.
Boat.
I guess you spelled shield wrong.
Literacy 100.
Just set it down on the table. Well, we're gonna have to unbolt those anyways.
A little bit, let that penetrate in here. Take a crack and take him off. Now, if this doesn't work, then we're probably going to have to hit it with a blowtorch.
60 degrees would have such a big issue.
Randy has one, it's pretty mint. You can get like one of those.
There you go, dude.
There you go.
Two, right? You got two.
I think it's in my bag.
Go in there with
Safety glasses are good for you.
Thank you.
Safe.
Yeah, this stud just wants to come out, so I guess I'm taking it out. Boo!
What's up, Liam?
Oh, you know.
It's coming out. I don't.
What?
What? What? How did you take that off?
Unscrewed it.
Wild. That seems easier now. Right? Yeah. Good. A bit.
If you want, I can get you a hammer. Maybe you can tap it with that.
No, it's spinning. It's spinning.
Okay.
It's just these are bolts that typically don't come off ever.
Alright, pick it up. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good, I think. That's good, yeah, that's good.
Liam took off the down pipe and the mid pipe, and that's basically it. And that's what happened after my camera died. And we have Brian and Alyssa here too. Yeah. Zoom. Yeah. Liam behind the cam.
Okay.
Turn it.
Hold
Turn it
on, how do you switch?
Just around the camera.
Wrist.
Okay, is that it?
Yeah. So, like and subscribe.
Emmanuel, you should turn around and show the viewers. No, listen. You gotta show the viewers why they need to like and subscribe.